Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see what's going on. So, market and indexes is in a yo-yo range right now. It's just up and down between all-time high and the ES 40 5488. It's just up and down. But some names moving every day, 4%, 5%. Then next day another one. Next day another one. I remember back in 2000. 10, 11, and 12 was like that. The good morning, Amnon. That was like that, every day one name was moving like 3, 4, 5%. Then, another name next day, another name like, would fall 3, 4% next day. And then it was very volatile until market, find its path for a new bull run. Um, so anyhow, gotta catch what's running that name. Indexes aren't running right now, and tomorrow we have PCE, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, pre-mark, and also don't forget we have the rebalancing tomorrow. We'll see what's gonna happen about that one. That one, keep in mind there is a lot of sell orders apparently. Pre-market ES on the 8:30 report jumps up. Jobless claim and GDP. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour golden cross again. Daily MACD was dead crossing, but is diverting up, and weekly MACD is still very bullish. NQ, same thing like ES. 5 to 1 hour, 4 hour, everything upward. Daily MACD is still up, was dead crossing, but is upward right now, and weekly is still very bullish. Dow Jones, 4 hours, still no sign of bullishness yet. RTY, big jump up after the report. That's interesting actually. 4 hours golden crossing, so watch IWM. I'll show you the levels there. DXY, about DXY, looking bearish pre-market. 5 to everything pointing down. 4 hours dead cross, and keep in mind the lower this goes, the higher text can fly up. 10-year, coming down after report jump, breaking down. 5 to 1 hour is pointing down. 1 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, and then the lower this goes, as I said, more fly up for techs. Wix was very green yesterday, but then pulled back and market is squeezed up into the close. Pre-market right now, 5 to 5:15 is downward. 30 and 1 hour is kind of flat. All about 12.1. If it goes below that, market can get very squeezy. What else? BTC, 1% higher. 4 hour in general is golden cross upward. Was getting a little bit bearish yesterday. It was midday, it started falling, but right now is doing some recovery. 15, 31 hours upward, but it's still general direction, and the weekly and daily is downward. It's holding, it's establishing a wedge here if you look at the daily. ETH, 1% higher. It's this ETF, once it gets approved, maybe it gets interesting there. Apple was very strong yesterday. Apple 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday, and it was a big jump up. It may continue until the 4 hour is not dead crossed on the MACD, and we don't have a dark blue bar. 214.49, that's a key level to watch. 215 mental level. If we pass that one, 216.23, 219.05, 221.87, next major level. It's possible to get close to 220, and we'll see if it's gonna break out or not. Amazon, monster run up yesterday. 188.65 was a very key level that it was rejecting many times. Once it breaks it, it went to all-time high, and then it to the penny it rejected. Then suddenly midday at 12 it broke it, and then was just non-stop run up to the close. Choppy what was run up, and right now 195.07, 195.14. That's my level, and 195.07, that's a pre-market high. Breaks those, we're looking at 196.09, 197.62, and 199.16. If 199 breaks anytime this week, next week, next major levels to watch is 202, 205, 210, and 216. What else? Yeah, pre-market right now, 15 is up. If 30 MACD golden cross, can go for more squeeze up. 1 hour is still not dead cross, and 4 hour very bullish. Nvidia, it opened, it fell, and then it tried to recover, even nothing special, and then into the close got a squeeze up because of anticipation for MU earning. Right now, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we start getting light blue bars, which is bullish sign. So 125.8, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 126.65, 127.5, and those are the higher level. But again, if 125.28 can't hold it, supports are 122.76. Below that can go to the lower level. Um, I think Nvidia is gonna go into the yo-yo range for now, and in general, it's not gonna be like past 140 again and go crazy higher. I think it's gonna go maybe a little bit higher next few days if it goes, and then it's possible to have another fall to come. Need to 4 hour MACD dead cross for the fall to happen again, but I think it's gonna be a very roller coaster between, like, 115 and 140 next few weeks. AVGO follows Nvidia. MU earning didn't help it. It tried to squeeze up into the close, but right now is opening flat. So 1609 is a key level to watch. If it can't break that one, is strong. It tried to break it yesterday, but it couldn't continue higher and it burned down again. So 1609 if it can pass, and 1618 yesterday high. We're looking at 1642 and higher level. But in general, I like that the 4 hour MACD is golden crossing. Pre-market right now, 15 to 1 hour, everything is upward. So it does have a chance, maybe runs up today. We'll see. If it fails again, 1585, 1566 supports. Below that, those are the levels. Coin was dumping yesterday again on BTC weakness, but right now BTC is a little bit strong, so it's holding up. 220 is the next key level to watch. If it passed that one, 222, 226, 230. If BTC fails again, 214 and 212 support levels. Netflix, it tried to run up yesterday, but into the close wasn't that strong. If it runs up again to 679, 684, next major level. Above that, can run up to the 700 maybe, but for now, 1530, 1 hour is pointing down. Need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross for another run up. Meta, nice jump up at the open, after opening again yesterday, breaking 514 finally. That's a good news. So a 515.26 pass, we're looking at 516, 518. Above 518, sky is the limit. Looking very bullish at the 5, 15, 30 and 1 hour. 1 hour, if golden cross confirms, can go crazy or higher. 4 hour very bullish, so it does have a chance for more run up. Tesla tried to break out yesterday. It's all about 198. The high of the season, high of April, is 198.87. So that's a key level to watch. Once we break that one, can go crazy or higher. Otherwise, it's possible to go back to the yo-yo range again. Nice run up yesterday. 197.31 is a key level to watch. Breaks that, we're looking at 199, 203 and 207. 207.75 is a super major magnet level. Once we break that one, if this run up continues, 207.75 is the target. But that's a very key level. If we break that one, Tesla can go insane for a bigger run up. And anyhow, pre-market 15 is up, 30 and 1 hour is already dead cross downward. Need to have a golden cross there for a bigger run up. It's still very bullish at the 4 hour, daily and weekly. Weekly, I like it that we get finally getting a light blue bar on weekly TTM squeeze. Microsoft, every day new all-time high. That's normal there. 453. 889, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 457, 461. If 451 can hold it, lower levels are 449, 446. Google, yesterday was a rest day. Pre-market not a clear signal. 4 hours near dead cross. So 183 need to pass it strong to run up to 184, 185, and 186.76. If 183 can hold it, 182 and 181. AMD, no love for AMD, nothing. This is just very bearish. 4 hour downward, daily was trying to golden cross, but again downward. Weekly very bearish. Until the weekly MACD is not golden cross, don't even think about playing long this. Intraday is fun playing it, but this one is generally every run up getting failed so far. So if it jumps up, 158, 161, 164 max. If it falls, 154, 152.41 and 151.02. SMCI, so the report at 8:30 helping it jump up. 15:30 1 hour is upward. 4 hour, if it golden cross confirms, can go for a run up. And note that before this monster run up, was at 800, and right now is almost retested it. So that's bouncing off of it. If at any time breaks 807, 793, is not gonna be good again, fall again. But for now, direction is up. 840 and 853 is a key level to watch. Break those, can go for a bigger run up again. 870, 899, and 928. SPY, nothing special, opening flat, pre-market showing bullish, but keep in mind daily MACD is dead cross while 4 hour is very bullish upward. So 540, it was yo-yo last few days, most likely it's going to be same today, and we'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. 540, 581, fast, we're looking at 547, 548, 33. If 545 can hold it, 543, 542 is the next major levels. QQQ, same like SPY, daily MACD is dead cross, but 4 hour very bullish. So all about 481. If it runs up, 481.45, 483, 845. If it pulls back, 479.88 is a key level. If you can hold it, back to 476.31 and lower level. IWM showing a strength pre-market. This one watch 201.84. If it runs that back, if it runs that over, we're looking at 203. Dow 206 today, but that's the next major level. What else? ARM strong every day. Every day it pulls back, comes, this one continues going up. 165, 167 next major level, breaks those, can go for a higher level. 162 and 161 support if you can hold it, lower level. MSTR all about 1500 if you can break it. I like that the 1 hour is near golden cross. 1500 if it passes, you're looking at 1517, 1532, 1557, and 1583. Pan W showing a lot of strength pre-market. 1530 1 hour is upward, 4 hour daily, weekly, everything bullish. 331 if it passes, we're looking at 334, 337 next major. What else you got here? MU earning, wasn't so happy people about it. Our earning was okay, but the reaction was very bearish, and so but it's opening like what, 7 points lower. Daily 4 hour is pointing down. 1 hour if golden cross can compete. If 1 hour MACD golden crosses, we can go for a bigger recovery up. Key level to watch is 136.85, past 140, 144. If 134 can hold it, back to 131, 129, and 127. What else you got here? Snow was a big jump yesterday. 130.61 if it passed, 134.81, 139, those are the next major level. Roku was trying to come back to life. Weekly MACD is near golden cross, daily MACD is golden cross already, 4 hours still bullish. So watch, if it continues drop, 58, 59, 24 next major. If 60 passes, we look at 61, 62, 67 next major. What else? MDB was trying to show some life yesterday too. Weekly we got a yellow bar and a TTM squeeze. All the clouds are starting getting interesting. 244, 246 next major level there. That's pretty much it. WBA, yeah, they're closing their store good. At least Dow removed them. And yep. What is this? Something else. I thought you were talking about Walgreen. Yeah, this is Walgreen. So Walgreen, I typed it wrong, something else. Walgreen, zero, I'm not sure. I mean, they're cutting losses. And pre-market 1531 hours upward is still, 4 hours still upward. But going to zero, not sure. They're cutting their costs. They're cutting the losses. So that's a good thing at the same time. But we'll see. Not very familiar name with me. Tesla, Amazon, Meta, I did. Apple did. MBLY. MBLY getting a lot of attention and it coming on my screen all the time, making big move every day. Yesterday, nice big jump up there. I do not have levels on this. Remind me to draw it. And but looking very bullish on the 4 hour. Daily is sharp upward. So we'll see. Right now, key level to watch. Closing of this candle is like what, 28.31, so it's opening above it almost. If it breaks that one, can go to the next closing, like 30, around 30. So if Bailey MACD golden cross, can go for a bigger run up. Not familiar with this name at all. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in and have a beautiful day. Okay, somebody asked DJT. I'm gonna do that one fast. DJT 4 hour daily MACD is curved up, all about Trump. Anytime good news comes, this one jumps up, but at the same time, there's always some bad news comes that give a big dump. In general, right now, trend is up. Um, Key level to watch is next key level is 48.82. If it can pass 40.48, this makes big moves, and I'm not playing it, so I'm not familiar with the option behavior, option premiums behavior. 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, but it's still general direction is up. Yeah, the levels are 40.48 and 48.82. You can draw a feed between these two and get the next level. All right, thank you so much. Have a good one.